Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can perform a one sample z-test using Microsoft Excel and my stikpetE add-in. My add-in is available at my GitHub account. If you download the file, then open up Excel, then go for File, Options, Add-ins and click on the Go button. Then browse for the downloaded file and that should install the add-in, which provides you with a lot of additional functions that I made. The one sample z-test is actually a test to test for a single mean. I have some example data in column A, and the function of interest is TS, short for test, Z, and OS, short for one sample. Now the data itself as input, please do not use an entire column like this, but really specify the range and vertically. If you like, you can specify the hypothesized mean. If you don't, it will actually use the mid-range, so the maximum plus minimum divided by 2. You can also specify the standard deviation as the population standard deviation. If you don't specify it, it will simply use the sample standard deviation. So I'll set my hypothesized mean to be 49. I type in the name of the function, give it the range. Note that I'm using a semicolon to separate parameters, but in your version you might have to use a comma, and give it the hypothesized mean. Once I hit enter, it actually gives me a small range. The first column showing the hypothesized mean, the second the sample mean, the Z statistic, the corresponding two-sided significance value, and which test was used. In this case, this is below 0.05, which is the usual threshold, so we could say that there is a significant difference with the hypothesized mean of 49. Alright, I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.